Togo is a small country located in West Africa, bordered by Ghana to the west, Benin to the east, and Burkina Faso to the north. Togo has a rich and diverse culinary tradition, influenced by its geography, history, and cultural diversity. In this essay, we will explore the unique and flavorful cuisine of Togo. Togolese cuisine. Togolese cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh, locally sourced ingredients and its bold and spicy flavors. The cuisine is heavily influenced by the country's coastal location and the availability of seafood, as well as its proximity to neighboring countries, including Ghana and Benin. Fufu. Fufu is a staple food in Togo and is typically made from pounded cassava or yam. The dish is often served with soup or sauce made from vegetables, meat, or fish. Fufu is typically eaten by hand, with small balls of the starchy dish dipped into the accompanying sauce. Akum. Akum is another popular Togolese dish that is made from steamed cornmeal. The dish is often served with soup or sauce and is a filling and comforting meal. Grilled fish. Grilled fish is a popular dish in Togo, thanks to the country's coastal location and abundant seafood. The fish is typically marinated in a blend of herbs and spices before being grilled over an open flame. Grilled fish is often served with a side of rice or plantains. Pot. Pot is a type of porridge that is made from cornmeal or millet flour. The dish is typically served with soup or sauce made from vegetables, meat, or fish. Kuli kuli. Kuli kuli is a popular snack in Togo that is made from ground peanuts, spices, and cassava flour. The mixture is formed into small balls or sticks and is deep fried until crispy and golden brown. Togolese beverages. Togolese cuisine also offers a range of refreshing and flavorful beverages that are enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Here are some of the most popular beverages in Togo. Bissap. Bissap is a popular drink in Togo that is made from the dried flowers of the hibiscus plant. The flowers are boiled with water and sugar to create a refreshing and tangy beverage. Palm wine. Palm wine is a traditional Togolese beverage that is made from the sap of palm trees. The sap is fermented for several days to create a mildly alcoholic beverage that is often served at social gatherings and celebrations. Ginger beer. Ginger beer is a popular non-alcoholic beverage in Togo that is made from fresh ginger root, sugar, and water. The mixture is fermented for several days to create a refreshing and spicy drink. Coconut water. Coconut water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that is popular in Togo, thanks to the country's abundance of coconut trees. The water is typically served fresh from the coconut, and is often enjoyed on hot days.